Hey guys, me Blaine here again, and today I have a pretty cool little device, accessory that I think I am going to enjoy. I'm going to give it a try, and what this thing does is it's a small little sunglass holder. My daughter, she found this on Etsy, and she got it for me for Christmas, and it's a very simple little plastic thing that I believe he made from a 3D printer. And what it will do is it's going to go up here into the above my sun visors, and it'll hold my sunglasses up a little bit different. Yes, there is 5, 6, 7,000 different items out there that you can buy to store your sunglasses in your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. However, this thing here is designed to fit the Model 3 and Model Y. I have the Model Y, of course. And let's give it a try here and see what it does. So currently, I have this little plastic device here to hold my sunglasses up on the passenger side. The only issue is I have noticed it that sometimes when I'm sitting in the passenger seat and I might be wearing a hat or something, I actually hit it. And that's what gave my daughter the idea, because I complained about hitting the sunglasses one time, and she started looking around and she found something a little different for me. So we're going to end up removing this, and we're going to install that device right up here and hide it a little bit better, and that way the sunglasses will go up a little bit higher. So let's give it a try. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my little thing here to pull out away from the glass just a little bit. There we go. Put that in there. We'll put it down far enough. And get it right there. All right, let's give it a try. Now, depends on what type of sunglasses you have. Some will probably go on there a little bit different. There. Actually, that fits pretty good right there. Has my sunglasses out of the way, as you can see. Holds my sunglasses right there. Not too bad. I can now remove this bulky thing out of there. Cool thing is when she bought it for me, it came with 2 of them. So I'm going to put another one over there, and that way my wife or my daughter could put a second pair of glasses over there. So, as you can see, she got them off of Etsy for only $5. It came with 2 of them, and not a bad little device. I actually like it. It's in there tight. It does not move around, and I think it's a pretty cool little gift for only $5, and it came with 2 of them, so I'm going to put the second one over there. It should work on the Model 3. Mine's the Model Y, so I will leave the link down below on where you can look these up. I'm sure there's a lot of people that make them and sell them, but if you're looking for something different to hold your sunglasses up in your car, then there you go. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't already done so, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the little bell notification. That way you will get notified next time I put a video up. So until next time, guys, be safe, have fun, keep driving, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.